Hello, I'm Timothy Hobbs, and today I'm going to be doing another session of live coding. And today I'm going to be trying to configure a blog that is created using a static site generator. And I first heard about these back in, I don't know, it must have been 2012 maybe? 2013. I met a guy at at the French Free Software Conference. I don't remember the initials, in Geneva, and he was working on one of these. And at the time, I thought it was cool, but he said he was like writing it in New Make or something, and it just seemed like kind of hacky. But lately, I heard a podcast again about these static site generators, and it seems like they're moving along quite nicely and that there's a number of them. And so far, I haven't even looked at what is available, so I'm going to start by doing that. So if I open up Firefox, maybe I can search for static site generator for blogging, and we have a list here. Next.js, written in JavaScript. Hugo, written in Go. I like compiled languages. Why is this deploy to? I thought static site generators were supposed to some kind of service, web service. That's probably irrelevant. So we have I guess these are sorted by the number of stars they have on GitHub. So this is a popularity contest. But popularity isn't a bad thing necessarily. And I specifically want ones that support Vue.js because I wouldn't say that I'm a Vue.js fanboy. I hardly know it, but it seemed a lot better to me than anything else I'd ever used. I don't know what it means when they say that the templates are Golang. Hugo is one of the most popular open source static site generators with its amazing speed and flexibility. Hugo ships with pre-made templates to make quick work of SEO commenting, analytics, and other functions. Well, I don't want any analytics or commenting. SEO is nice, of course, if they can get me the first result in every search in Google. One line of code and you're done. I hope that you can turn off the analytics. I want it to be GDPR compliant. Okay. Docs. Looks like Django. quick start maybe. So I'm supposed to do port install. I don't even know what port is. Is this... These people are like Mac only people. Okay. So Linux is just doesn't exist. Okay. Fine. Themes. Yeah, so there are some nice themes here, and they're free, I guess. I guess it would be a good thing to also look at who is developing Hugo. Contributors 750. Bep.is. Okay. Seems like Hugo has a decent community around it. Like, it's not just dominated by one megacorp. So back to the quick start. So you add a theme, and you do that by git submodules. Okay, so themes seem to be editable, and paper mod looks nice. MIT licensed. There's a lot of stuff here. It's like not just some trivial thingamajig. Okay, that's really nice. I think that paper mod is something that I could work with. Um, doesn't have a section for Google Analytics integration, which maybe, hopefully means that it doesn't support it. And that paper mod websites are clean and GDPR friendly. But it does have some JavaScript in it. Do they have an example website? Like an actual interactive one? Demo. Nice. Doesn't seem to have any analytics pre-installed in it. Okay, I'm gonna try PaperMod and Hugo. So how do I install this? Though I guess this one is better in that it has like the main page, the title page, and then the blog thing. This seems better. And Doxy also seems, well, I guess there's a lot of nice themes. Okay, so wow. I think that now I'm just never gonna be able to choose anything. Like everything looks nice and better than I could make it. Okay. I guess this is the most on style thing. Hugo Fresh. Very on style. Okay, so I could spend all day just looking through the possibilities, really. It's really too bad that Git has the big problem with having like really huge files in it, because otherwise, like if Git was able to be more lazy in its fetching, then you could have the videos, the live coding videos really embedded in the Git repository. That would just be the ideal. Um, for non-Git users. That's pretty funny. So now I have to figure out how to install Hugo. See, install if you are running Windows, etc. And Linux is in the etc. category. Oh my gosh, I'm so... But it's easy. So offended. Okay, so I have Hugo installed. And... And now I have the Gradesta website, and this is going to be replaced by Hugo. And so quick start. Snap does not like me. Okay. And What? That was confusing. Why was quick start not there and then all of a sudden it was there? Okay, and I'll just follow the guide directly so that I know that I'm not messing up because of some problem that my new Hugo site. Okay. Why doesn't it have the... Okay. Cool. Wow, so that worked. So we've created the static site and it should be in commercial stuff, web, quick start, public, index.html. And it doesn't work locally, but it will work. Okay, cool. So now what I need to do is I need to write the website, create the website, and then I need to set up CI so that it automatically deploys the website to DigitalOcean. And so I'm going to go ahead and set up DigitalOcean, and I'm not going to record that bit. And I'm going to go ahead and set up CI, and I'm not going to record that bit. And then I'll do another session of setting up the website. Cool.